Robert Kiyosaki's investing tip number 4: Diversify income streams. Concept: diversifying income streams means generating income from multiple sources rather than relying on a single job or investment. This strategy reduces financial risk and provides greater stability and security. Risk mitigation: diversification helps protect against the loss of any one income source. If one stream fails or underperforms, others can help maintain overall financial health. Opportunities for growth: multiple income streams offer opportunities for growth and can accelerate wealth building. Each source can contribute to your financial goals, increasing your overall income. Types of income streams: active income, income earned through direct effort and work. Examples include salaries, wages, freelance work, and consulting. Passive income, income generated with minimal effort once the initial work is done. Examples include rental income, dividends, interest, royalties, and business profits. Portfolio income, income derived from investments, including capital gains, dividends, and interest from stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other securities. Strategies for diversifying income streams: investing in real estate, rental properties. Purchase residential or commercial properties and rent them out to generate regular rental income. Real estate investment trusts. Invest in real estate investment trusts, which allow you to earn dividends from real estate investments without directly owning property. Investing in stocks and bonds. Dividend stocks. Buy shares in companies that pay regular dividends. This provides a steady income stream alongside potential capital appreciation. Bonds. Invest in government or corporate bonds that pay interest over time, offering a predictable income stream. Starting a business. Entrepreneurship. Launch your own business or invest in a franchise. Profits from the business can provide substantial income. Side hustles. Engage in side projects or freelance work in addition to your primary job to generate extra income. Digital and intellectual property. Royalties. Create and sell books, music, software, or patents. Royalties from these intellectual properties can generate ongoing income. Online content. Develop a blog, YouTube channel, or online course. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, subscriptions, or selling digital products. Peer-to-peer lending. Lending platforms. Invest in peer-to-peer lending platforms where your funds are lent to individuals or small businesses, generating interest income. Affiliate marketing. Online promotions. Promote products or services online and earn commissions on sales generated through your referral links. Real estate crowdfunding. Crowdfunding platforms. Participate in real estate crowdfunding opportunities, where multiple investors pool their money to invest in real estate projects. Creating an online store. E-commerce. Set up an online store to sell products. Utilize dropshipping, print on demand, or inventory-based models to generate sales and income. Benefits of diversifying income streams. Financial security. Multiple income sources provide a safety net, reducing dependency on a single source and enhancing financial stability. Increased earnings potential. Each additional income stream contributes to your overall earnings, increasing your total income and enabling faster wealth accumulation. Flexibility and freedom. Diversified income streams can offer more flexibility in terms of work and lifestyle choices. You can pursue passions and interests while maintaining financial stability. Wealth building. Income from multiple sources can be reinvested to grow wealth faster. Diversification also spreads risk, which can lead to more consistent long-term returns. Adaptability to economic changes. Different income streams can perform differently under various economic conditions. Diversification helps you adapt and maintain income during economic fluctuations. Challenges and considerations. Time and effort. Developing and managing multiple income streams requires time, effort, and often initial capital. Balancing these commitments can be challenging. Knowledge and skills. Success in different income streams may require specific knowledge and skills. Continuous learning and skill development are essential. Risk management. While diversification reduces risk, it does not eliminate it. Proper management and monitoring of each income stream are necessary to ensure they remain profitable. Capital requirements. Some income streams, such as real estate or starting a business, require significant upfront investment. Assessing and securing the needed capital is crucial. Legal and tax implications. Different income streams can have varied legal and tax implications. Understanding these and ensuring compliance is important to avoid legal issues and optimize tax liabilities. Examples of diversifying income streams. Professional with a day job and side hustle. Primary job. A professional works a 9-to-5 job for a steady salary. Side hustle. In the evenings and weekends, they freelance as a graphic designer, earning extra income from freelance projects. Investor with real estate and stock portfolio. Real estate. An investor owns several rental properties, generating monthly rental income. Stocks. They also have a diversified stock portfolio, receiving dividends from high-quality dividend-paying stocks. Entrepreneur with a business and online content. Business. An entrepreneur runs a local bakery, earning profits from sales. Online content. They also manage a food blog and YouTube channel, monetizing through ads, sponsorships, and selling online cooking courses. Retiree with pension and investments. Pension. A retiree receives a monthly pension from their former employer. Investments. They supplement this with income from bonds, rights, and dividends from stocks. Student with part-time job and digital products. Part-time job. A student works part-time at a cafe to earn a regular paycheck. Digital products. They also create and sell digital artwork on platforms like Etsy, generating additional income. Conclusion. Diversifying income streams is a fundamental principle of Robert Kiyosaki's financial strategy. By generating income from multiple sources, you reduce financial risk, increase earning potential, and enhance financial stability. This approach involves identifying and developing various income streams, from real estate and investments to businesses and digital products. While diversifying income streams requires time, effort, and often initial capital, the benefits of increased financial security, flexibility, and wealth-building potential make it a valuable strategy for achieving long-term financial success. Click the link below for more investing tips.